Hello students, today we are going to learn about the formulas and functions in spreadsheet. Let us learn about the function library. There are many functions defined in Excel and it is beyond the capacity of a person to remember the name and functionality of each one of them. To overcome it, Excel has clubbed all the functions in the function library group of formulas tab. Here, the functions are categorized by their functionality, like math and trig, text, date and time, etc. You can click on a category to browse its functions. Students, let's know more. The LCM function available under the math and trig category in the function library returns the least common multiple of integers. It is calculated as the smallest positive integer, that is a multiple of all the numbers supplied as arguments. For example, LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. The insert function. The insert function is one of the options in the function library group which helps us in creating a formula. Let us explore this option. Click on the cell in which you want to enter a formula. Click on the insert function button present on the formulas tab. Or click on the insert function button present on the formula bar. Either of these will launch the insert function dialog box and an equal to sign will be placed in the cell. In the insert function dialog box, you can search for a function by typing a brief description of what you want to do in the search for a function text box, in case you do not remember the name of the function. For example, add numbers returns the sum function. In the OR select a category text box, you can select the category of the function like math and trig for GCD function. If you are not familiar with the categories, you can select all, which will display an alphabetic list of all the functions in the select a function list box. Select the desired function from the displayed list and then click on OK. This will open the function arguments dialog box wherein you will enter the cell references or values and then click on OK to get the result of the selected function. Students, let's know more. The GCD function calculates the greatest common divisor or highest common factor of two or more integers. It is the largest positive integer that divides the numbers without a remainder. For example, GCD of 25, 30 and 35 is 5. Alright students, let us now understand how to manage worksheet. Renaming a worksheet. By default, Excel displays 3 sheets in a worksheet named as Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. But we can add as many sheets as we require and assign any name to them. Let us do it practically and assign a new name, KIPS, to the Sheet 2 tab. Right-click on the Sheet 2 tab in the worksheet. A shortcut menu will appear. Click on the Rename option or double-click on the Sheet 2 tab. The name of the sheet gets highlighted. Type KIPS and press the Enter key. Note that the name of the Sheet 2 has been changed to KIPS. Deleting a worksheet. You can delete a worksheet if it is of no use to you. To delete a worksheet, right-click on the sheet which you want to delete. Click on the Delete option. Changing color of a sheet tab. Right-click on the Sheet tab and select the Tab Color option from the shortcut menu. Select any color from the display choices and observe the change. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Formulas are the user-defined instructions to perform calculations, whereas functions are the predefined or inbuilt formulas that come with Excel. Basic formula involves only one type of operator in it. Compound formulas are used when more than one operator is required to perform calculation. We can also perform addition on character and string data type. A range is a group of contiguous cells which form the shape of a rectangle. The cell address that we use in the formula is known as the cell reference. You can use the cell reference of one worksheet in another worksheet in two ways, using copy-paste option or using sheet reference. In Microsoft Excel, if any formula is entered incorrectly, then Excel displays an error message instead of the value and assists you in identifying and fixing the problem. In the function library group, all the functions are categorized by their functionality.